Friends, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is Python library, Python modules and Python packages, and especially the random module. Random module has many functions like random, randint, choice, shuffle, randrange to generate the random numbers. And a question from the random module often asked in universities exam, board exam like CBSE, in UGC exams and many other competitive exams worldwide. So let's begin. Firstly, we must know about what is Python module. So this is a very simple Python file. I repeat, simple Python file in your is your module, and you can use that module in any other program by using import statement. Or you can say module is a file containing a Python definitions, functions, variable statements, classes with .py extension. Means आपकी एक simple Python की file ही आपका module है. And you can import your module by using the import statement. For example, from file name import star. File name could be any name. This is Python IDE. Here I take a new file. Here I create a simple module. Friends, this is module. Module can have variables and function definitions. So here I take a variable a and function cube, which returns the cube of the x. Now I want to save it. So friends, remember, you must take care about the location, because for the time being location is same. I create a folder Neha on the desktop. Look, this is my location. Here I save this file with name file1. You can take any name. Now I create another file in which I import my first file. Now this is my second file. Here I import a file1. Import star means I can import all features from the file1. Now I have to run this code. Before running it must be saved. So friends, remember, location is same. For the time being location is same. You can set a different location, but that concept we'll discuss in another video. So here I save it with program number 1, prog1. If I run this code, this is output. This is our output. This is our output. Look, print a means 10 and cube of 3 is 27. There are many inbuilt modules in Python. Inbuilt modules means which already in a Python library, which already available when we install the Python random module and web browser module and many more. And you can see all modules in your Python directory. You can see all modules in your Python directory. For this you have to open the location where the Python is installed. This is the path. This is the path. You can type this path, or you can copy this path. I paste this path, or you can type, and this is my location where my all Python files are stored. There is folder lib, and this is the packages and modules. For example, I want to search a random. This is a random.py already created by the developer of the Python. There is another module, web browser module. You can also import the web browser module. And what do you mean by packages? Python packages is simply collection of a directory of Python modules. Means आपके पास मान लो 5-7 modules हैं आपने बनाए, आप उसको एक किसी folder के अंदर रख देते हैं. You put all the modules in folder, and that folder is called a package. Means Python package is simply collection of the directory means folder of Python modules. For example, URL, lib and many more. Again, this is my Python. This is lib folder. Here I want to search URL lib. this is my package. In it there are several modules. This is also inbuilt modules. So this is my package, and these whole are my library. So what do you mean by Python library? Library is a collection of modules and packages that together cater to specific type of application. Means हमने कुछ special तरह की applications चलानी है, उसके रिगार्डिंग हम कुछ पैकेजेस और मॉड्यूल्स को एक पर्टिकुलर जगह पे रखते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड लाइब्रेरी. So let's discuss more about a library. Python standard library. This library is distributed with Python that contain a various modules. Already means हमें already मिलती है. We no need to install extra files for that. For standard library, for example, math module for mathematical functions, cmath module for mathematical function for complex numbers, urllib module, many functions access to our website using Python code, and more important, random module has many functions to generate a pseudo random numbers. So this is a Python standard library. Beyond that, there are NumPy library, also SciPy library. NumPy means numerical Python, SciPy means scientific Python. Tinctor library means you have to install, you have to work with the GUI environment using Python just like a Visual Basic. And Matplot library, you have to draw the charts and line chart, bar chart, and many more features of the using charting. But all these library need to be installed. You have to further, आपको एक further installation करनी पड़ेगी NumPy, SciPy, Tinctor and Matplot के लिए. So let's back to the Python module. Now we discuss random module in detail. For this, I take a new program, and here I write a statement: import random. You can write import statement by using three ways: import random, and from random import star, and from random import random. So there are three ways to import any statement. First we discuss first one. So I put a comment. So friends, I import a module random, and here is a function random. For this I have to use, this is library name dot, this is function name. First this is module name and this is a function name. We want to print the value of r. So this is the way we call inbuilt function random. Module name dot function name, module name dot function name. By chance module or function का name same है, so that's why random dot random. If we run this code, source must be saved. For example, this name is random. This is my location. So random number generate any number between 0 to 1, any floating point number between 0 to 1, but 1.0 is not included. Remember, 1.0 is not included, any number. If we run it in second time, the number will be different. Number will maybe different. So this is our import random. If we use, instead of import random, I use from random import star, means everything is import. Star means everything is import. Import random means only random function will import. So import star means, so no need to put module name here. This is more easy way. This is more easy way. Look, this is more easy way. No need to mention module name dot function name. So third one is also same. This is for all functions. This is only for the random functions. So instead of using import random, I always prefer from random import star. So this is our simple code. Any number between 0 to 1. 1.0 is not included. Look, if I run this code in loop, means for I in range 5. So this code will run 5 times. So 5 different random number will generate. This code generate 5 different random number. Look at the output. Every time number is different, but not 0.1. Between 0 to 1. 1.0 is not included. You can round off these. You can set the precision of these decimal places up to 2 decimal, 3 decimal by using a round function. For example, you can use round r. So this is a round. Now again, you have to print the original value r. So r is our original value, and look, number will never 1.0, but here I round 0.67, so it is rounded to the 1. 0.44 because less than 50, it will round it to the 0. If we use integer, int and round is different. If I use int, so integer is always 0. Because integer is always 0, look at the output. 0.66 rounded to 1, 0.50 rounded to 1, but when the value is less from 0.50, it will always do rounded to the 0. Right? This is our round function. This is our round function, and this is our original value of r, and this is our integer value of r. Hope you understand. Let's move further. And this is our Python IDE. Now I discuss another function from the random module. For this, I need from random import star. Now I use the function randint. I use the function randint. For example, 1, 10. So any random number is generated between 1 to 10. 1 and 10 also included. Any random number between 1 to 10. The function we use randint. For example, this is our randint. Program name is randint. I save and run. So friends, look, it is generated 9. If I run this program again, it will generate a number 2. So every time number is different. If I include these 2 lines in a loop, for example, for I in range 5, so loop will run from 0 to 4, and 5 different random number will generate and print. Look, 10, 1, 8, 7, 3. Every time different random number will generate. This is a function of the randint. This is the function of randint. Hope you understand random.random function and randint function. Based on these 2 functions, I solve one question. This question may be asked in university exams, in board exams like CBSE, and in many competitive exams. This is objective type question. By running this code in a Python, what is the possible output? If we run this code in a Python, what is the possible output? First choice is 0.0:0, second is 1:6, and 2:4, and 0:3. So let's begin. So if we see carefully about random.random, you know random.random means x between 0 to 1.0, but 1.0 not included. कभी भी 1.0 नहीं आएगा. And what is function of randint? It means y के अंदर y should have 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Any number between 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, store in Y. Now print int x. So int x means convert to integer. It means 0.0, 0 point something is always 0. So first number is 0. वो 1 नहीं हो सकता, it not be 1, not be 2, it may be 0. So and second, y plus int x. As you know, int x is always 0. It means 0 plus 0 means it will be 0. 0 plus 1 means 1 हो सकता है. 0 plus 2, 0 plus 3, 0 plus 4 means any number between 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0 हो सकता है. Not possible because first number is 1 and 3. 3 हो सकता है. So answer is choice number 1 and 1 or 4 is possible. Hope you understand. Beside this video, I make another video in which question based on the random module was discussed in detail. Look at the screen. This is the question. And if you want to check how much you understand this concept, the similar type of question was also asked. Look at the screen. This question was asked in the last of the video, and you have to answer it in comment box. So I given the link in the description box. Please watch that video also after watching this. Till the time we learn about random.random and random.randint. Now I see the working of randrange function. For this, again, import from random import star. Now I use function randrange as range function. This is a randrange, same as a range function. I put 1, 10. Here the number is generated between 1 to 10, but 10 is not included. So friends, randint and randrange is just a little bit different. If you pass two values, in randint both values are included, but in randrange 1, 10 means 10 is not included. Any number between 1 to 10, but 10 is not included. Now I print the value of r, and again I put the loop for I in range 10. So 10 times the loop will run and 10 different random number will print between 1 to 9, you can say, because 10 is not included. I have to save this. This is our rand range. Now look at the output. 85249325557. Every time random number is different between 1 to 9. 10 never be printed because it is rand range. If rand is replaced by randint, 10 must be included. Means कभी ना कभी 10 जरूर आएगा, but इस केस में कभी भी 10 नहीं आएगा. Friends, hope you understand the randrange function. There is third argument also, which is optional. This is equal to the step. For example, I include 2 here. It means after 1 it will be a 3. Means random number must be odd because 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Random number between 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 means random number होगा 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 के बीच में. Random number between 1 to 9, but odd number because we have to mention the step 2 here. If I mention the step 3, it means 1, 4, 7. So random number between 1, 4, 7. Every time the random number is I run it again. Every time random number is between 1, 4, 7 because we have to include a step 3. Step is optional. By default the step is 1. Otherwise, if you want to increase the step 2, 3, 4, any number of steps, you can include the third parameter. So random number between 1 to 9, but 1, 4, 7 only, because 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So this is a rand range function.